Natürlich. Of course. Naturally. Na-TOO-likh. The oo again. Round those lips. Natürlich is very common in German conversation. Instead of just ja, yes, you say natürlich. Much warmer, much more engaging. Like, magst du Kaffee? Do you like coffee? Natürlich. Of course. Natürlich. Kein Problem. No problem. Kein. No. None. Problem. Same as English. Kein Problem. Germans use this constantly in conversation. It's warm and reassuring. Someone apologizes. Kein Problem. Someone asks a favor. Kein Problem. You sound easygoing and confident. Kein Problem. Wirklich? Really? Wirklich. Just one word, but so useful in conversation. When someone tells you something surprising, wirklich? It keeps conversation flowing. It shows you're listening and engaged. Echt is another informal way to say really. Echt. Both mean really. Wirklich? Echt. Ich weiß es nicht. I don't know. Wissen, to know. Ich weiß. I know. Ich weiß es nicht. The SZ sounds like SS, so weiß sounds like weiß. Ich weiß. I know. Ich weiß it's nicht. I don't know. Being honest about not knowing is always better than guessing. Ich weiß it's nicht. Ich bin dabei. I'm in. Count me in. Dabei, in it. Part of it. Ich bin dabei. When someone invites you somewhere, ich bin dabei. Enthusiastic commitment. Very natural. Very German. Gehst du mit zum Kaffee? Are you coming for coffee? Ich bin dabei. Count me in. Ich bin dabei. Bis bald. See you soon. Bis. Until. Bald. Soon. Bis bald. A warm, casual goodbye. Tschüss, you learned in part 1. That's bye. Bis bald is more like see you soon. It implies you'll meet again. Bis morgen. Until tomorrow. Bis später. See you later. The base. Bis. Until. Bis bald. And the last phrase of part 2. Viel Spaß. Have fun. Have a great time. Viel. Much. A lot. Spaß. Fun. Viel Spaß. Germans say this when someone is about to do something enjoyable. Going on holiday? Viel Spaß. Going to a concert? Viel Spaß. And to you, for completing part 2. Viel Spaß beim Deutschlernen. Have fun learning German.